How to turn off info cards on YouTube mobile. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off info cards on YouTube mobile. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first of all, there's no way to turn off in-video info cards through the YouTube mobile app. So what you want to do is go to your web browser, such as Google Chrome, and then navigate to the YouTube website. Ensure that you have desktop mode switched on. So I'm going to tap on the desktop side button here. Then once you're on the desktop site, tap on your profile picture in the top right hand corner. And then on the next menu, tap on settings. Here on the left, select playback and performance from the menu. And then if I just zoom in, you'll see here you have the option to uncheck info cards, to show in-video info cards. So if you don't want to show in-video info cards, you can tap on that box to turn it off. And essentially, in-video info cards allows creator info cards to appear on videos. This doesn't affect ads that may appear on the videos. And that's all it takes to turn off in-video info cards on your YouTube mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.